Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have 14 items going out, so I have to be fast and furious to make sure I get this done in 3 minutes. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, we're going to start out with these golf clubs here. I sold this set of Callaway Big Bertha Steelhead Plus gloves. I purchased them for $8 for the total, and then I sold them for $50. Up next I have this Nike 60-degree wedge, and I purchased that for $8 and it sold for $40. Alright, a couple more golf items here. We have this Golf Pride brand new grip, and I bought that for $5 and it sold for $20. Right here we have another golf grip, and this is called a Garson grip, and I bought this for $2 and it sold for $20 as well. Up next here is this bag of phones, and I actually bought these phones thinking they were a different model, so I ended up getting a lot less than I had anticipated. Anyway, I bought the phones for $2 and they sold for $22.50. Up next here we have is a replacement coffee pot by Braun, and I bought this for $5 and it sold for $22.50 pretty quickly. Another quick flip here is this Wii Game. Anything that is Mario or Sonic or anything like that, make sure you look it up because it could be worth something, and these sell pretty quickly. So I bought it for $1 and it sold for $17.97, and I'll be paying the shipping on this. All right, and then the only other item that I will be paying the shipping on is this t-shirt, and this is a vintage Bugs Bunny Looney Tunes t-shirt. It's actually my mom's from the 90s. It's a single stitch and it sold for $50. Next up is we have these Rag & Bone jeans, and these I bought for $5 and they sold for $35. Up next is this FJ Pullover. It's like a windbreaker for golfers, and I purchased it for $3 and it sold for $41.99. These are Bonobos swim trunks. I bought them for $2 at a thrift store and they sold for $29.97. Another pair of Bonobos here. These are a pair of men's jeans, and I purchased these for $5 and they sold for $20. And here I have a Fossil leather purse, and I bought this for $3 and it sold for $21. Oh, what's that? Don't forget to subscribe. And lastly, I have a pair of Timberland boots, and these are leather waterproof boots, and I purchased these for $5 and they sold for $35. Let's get them packed. All right, and I also sold this Masters hat. I bought it for 50 cents and it sold for $15.